Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study engineering. First, ensure you have a strong foundation in science and mathematics during your high school years. Focus on subjects like physics, chemistry, and advanced math to build essential problem-solving skills. Next, explore the diverse fields within engineering, such as electrical, aerospace, or biomedical, to discover which area truly excites you. Understanding your interests early helps guide your academic path and future career choices. Once you have a clearer idea of your preferred engineering field, it's time to choose the right college. Look for universities with accredited engineering programs that offer your chosen specialization. Investigate their curriculum, faculty research, and internship opportunities. A good fit will provide not only excellent academics, but also a supportive environment for your growth. Think about the overall college experience, including student life and career services. Entrance examinations are a crucial step for admission into engineering programs. Dedicate significant time to preparing for these tests, which often cover physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Many resources are available, including online courses, coaching centers, and practice papers, to help you excel. Consistent study and mock tests will build your confidence and improve your performance. Remember, strong exam scores can open doors to highly sought-after engineering schools. Funding your engineering education is an important consideration. Research and apply for scholarships and grants, which do not need to be repaid. Many institutions and organizations offer aid specifically for aspiring engineers. Student loans are another option, but understand their terms carefully. A well-planned financial strategy can ease your journey. Also, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. After graduation, engineering offers diverse career paths with excellent growth potential and competitive salaries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.